Back to Next People official channel. So on today's video, I want to show you guys how I was able to make $134,000 selling an MT5 trading bot. And this particular video, I'll show you guys how to create this particular trading bot and how to sell it on easy.com. Okay, so this particular trading bot is one of the trading bots I've ever sold. Okay, and it's working very well with the help of Aviso ChatGPT. Okay, so on today's video, I'll show you guys how to register and create this particular trading bot and how to start selling. Okay, so let's dive in. Guys, if you visit AI Voso, you're going to be creating a trading bot, high standard trading bot. And after creating that trading bot, I'll still show you guys how to start selling it. Okay, so now if you want to sign up, just click on this sign up button right here. So if you don't have an account, it's going to be showing you, directing you to register, which I already have an account. So I'm going to just sign up with my Google account right here. Okay, so you can see right here I have no active plan. So what I'm going to do is to upgrade my plan by clicking on this upgrade right here. Okay, so you can do this on your mobile phone or laptop. Okay, so here you're going to be selecting this package. You can select the first package, which is entry package, is about $6.2, and here you can choose to pay with Flutterwave or using a TRC20, which is this. Okay, so here I can choose to pay with Flutterwave or other ways you choose to pay with. And here the checkout is very easy. And once you're done paying some amount right here, which is 9,000 and 26,000 words to use. So you're going to take some time for your account to fully upgrade, but you can still make use of the account once you have checked out. Okay, so now you're going to be clicking on this page says AI chat right here. So here you can select bot through do. Okay, this is the trading bot. Okay, so here you can see that I've started. So here it says great news, what specific assistant do you need on the MT5 trading bot. So here you're going to be asking him to create XAUSD trading bot. Okay, so once you type this XAUSD trading bot, you can send and watch the magic happen. Okay, this particular AI is actually trained only to create MT5 trading bot. Okay, and it's going to make the bot very simple and accurate, that this particular trading bot can trade on any pairs and it can trade on any price. Okay, and it can still trade on any amount. Okay, so this particular trading bot works very, very well. Okay, so after everything is created, all you need to do is just to copy. So you're going to be clicking copy right here. Okay, so once that you're done copying, what you're going to do is to allow him compress this trading bot so that you can be able to install it on the MT5 marketplace. Okay, so once it's done coding, I'll show you guys the next instruction to give. So guys, once it's done coding, okay, you're going to ask him a very simple question like, can you convert it to MQ5 so that I can download it. Okay, because you don't have to go through the stress of coding, recoding this particular trading bot so that you don't make mistakes. Okay, so you just ask him, how can you convert it so that I can download it. So he's going to actually create that for you, but it's going to give you a very simple way to create it. So it's going to ask you to save this particular file on .mql5. Okay, so what you're going to do is to just copy the name and go to your computer and type notepad. Okay, if you're using Apple phone, you can use your Apple pad to actually do this. Okay, so guys, the next option is to save this MT5. Okay, MT5 trading bot, which is the XAUSD trading bot. So if you have notepad on your PC, you're just going to search for notepad right here. Okay, so this is your notepad. What you're going to do is to just copy the code from the beginning to the ending. This is the end of this code. Just copy, and on your notepad you're just going to be pasting the code right here. Okay, so this particular code is for XAUSD. Okay, how to save? Just click on Ctrl S to save on your PC. So what you're going to be saving this bot with is, you can save it with xausd.mq5. okay, so here you're going to be saving the bot with .mq dot okay, you're going to be saving with xausd.mql5. okay, so this is the last option. okay, this is the last option, and the next thing is, how do we sell this trading bot to this particular platform? okay, so we're going to be making video on that right now, or how to sell this trading bot to this particular easy platform. okay, all right, so guys, this is your Aviso and this is your ETZ website. okay, so here you can sell any items. You can sell pictures, you can sell gift card, you can sell your trading bots, you can sell anything. okay, so because I already have an account with them, I don't think I will create accounts here with this particular email. okay, so right here, if you want to create an account, you can just click on sign up right here. okay, so you can sign up with your Google email. So you can sign up with your Google email. So it takes a while to sign up and set up your account. okay, so I'll just show you guys how to just drag and drop your trading bot. okay, you just drag and drop your trading bot, put your amount, and you start selling. okay, so it's very simple to do that. And again, if you really want to start making money on this 2026, I think Avisco AI is one of the best AI tools right now. okay, so not only they only teach you how to create a trading bot, they can also teach you how to make a good website. They can teach you how to make a good mobile applications, and they can teach you cybersecurity and full stack web development. There's a lot to learn on this particular website, and if you want to check out this particular website, you can check it on this video description. So let's dive in again. So here the registration is taking time because I've already utilized this email. So I'm just going to log in and show you guys how to set up your trading bot for sale. Once you're done creating accounts, you're going to be clicking on add products. It's very simple. So here you're going to be dragging more pictures of your product right here. okay, so here you're going to add your product name. Maybe you can write XAUSD trading bot. Okay, and here you're going to be adding amounts for USD, GBP, depending on the current currency and countries you want your bot to be available. okay, so here you're going to be adding your description of your bot, and here you're going to be adding the categories, whether it's an artwork or a trading bot or ebook and rest. okay, so here you're going to be adding these categories. Here is optionals, the subcategories is optional. okay, so this is the main thing. Here you're going to be dragging your trading bots right here. okay, so here you can click select, and once you click select, you can select from that trading bot which you saved. okay, you can select the trading bot which you saved, and once you're done doing that, you click on create product. okay, so I actually have more than 5 products I'm selling right here, so no need of recreating this. So if you're done watching this video, don't forget to share so that your neighbors can still make money while selling trading bots. okay, so thank you for watching.